Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rastania Ayudya. You can call me Sita. I am from Banjarnegara, Central Java, and I am a student in Polytechnic IDN Bogor and my major designer. Okay guys, in here I want to uh, make tutorial a video uh, passive passive voice and active voice. And in here there is this material, yes, and this is I want tell about passive voice and active voice. And in here, do you look in here? Okay, if you look in here, okay, first passive voice, yes. Okay, and what is the passive voice? Okay, what do you we use it? How can we transform active sentence in passive ones? Okay, and this is there is a material. Okay, first, okay, lesson plan. Okay, and this is there is a mini question. First, what is the passive voice? Okay, passive voice that definition and grammatical structure, yes. And next, when to use the passive voice? Okay, and next, when to use the passive voice and transforming active sentence in past passive ones. And next, why some sentence cannot be made passive? Okay, and in here, what is the passive voice? Okay, passive voice is the opposite of the active voice, and this is, for example, uh, passive active voice. That this is in here. There is example. What is the passive voice? Example. Voice active. Everybody loves chocolate, and passive voice, chocolate is loved by everybody. And in here again there is active voice. The lifeguard saved a man, and passive voice, a man was saved by the lifeguard. And active voice, for example, decorators are painting my house. And passive voice, for example, my house is being painted. Okay, and in here I want by passive voice, that, yes. Okay, passive voice, when to use the passive voice? Okay, passive voice use for one, uh, if action. Passive voice use if action is more important than the actor. Action is more important than the actor. And two, actor is or important. Actor is or important. And next, when to use the passive voice? Actor is obvious. Okay, and next, when to use the passive voice? If object cannot perform the action. Okay, and next, in here I want by, for example, action is more important than the actor. Yes, passive voice use if action is more important than the actor. Okay, in here there is a passive. 1 million pounds were donated to the children hospital. Yes, if that, for example, this is £1 million were donated to the children's hospital. And if active voice, the Prime Minister donated £1 million to the children's hospital. Okay, and next, when to use the passive voice? Passive voice use if actor is unknown or unimportant. For example, passive voice. This beautiful bridge was built in these years. And next, active voice. John Taylor Thomas built the bridge in years. This is. And next, when to use the passive voice? Passive voice use is actor is obvious. Okay, and this is passive. For example, passive voice. Bill was arrested last night. And this is obvious, yes, obvious, very obvious. Bill was arrested last night. Okay, who? Yes, that police or officially, yes, officially by the police. Okay, and next, when to use active voice? If object cannot from the action. For example, if passive voice, 1,000 chocolate cake were sold on Sunday. Because why? Why? Because a cake cannot sell themselves. And example again, passive voice, £1 million were donated by the Prime Minister. Okay, and next, passive voice. This bridge was built by Johann Taylor Thomas. And next, passive voice. 100 cakes were sold by John's Bakery. Okay, and in here there is uh, intransitive. Okay, and in here I want tell about passive voice again. Okay, if you learning active voice, in active voice there is subject, verb one, and object. But in the passive voice there is object, mm, and be, and verb three, and by. This is by and subject. But by and subject, this is optional, yes. Okay, for example, I eat rice. I eat rice. That passive voice. I eat rice. But if that active voice, I'm sorry guys, that active voice. If passive voice, for example, rice is eaten by me. Yes. Okay, this is I. This is a subject. Yes, I subject. And verb one. This is it. And object. This is rice. But in passive voice, this is object and be and verb three and by and subject. In passive voice, rice that subject and is that verb be and verb three that eaten and by and me that subject. Okay, and for listen, for listen, passive voice requires be plus past participle forms of be that present am or are or is. And if you look in here, this is in active voice. There is subject, verb one, and object. Okay. And if you look in here in passive voice, there is object be and verb 3 and by and subject. And in here, if you want use by, this is optional. And in here again, there is example passive voice and active voice. Okay, and if you use we, I, you, he, she, it, that subject, yes. Okay, and I think this is learning for passive voice and grammar, grammar, yes, grammar structure. Okay, and I think this is tell about passive voice and grammatical structure. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.